Four Sixes Ranch, an AQHA all-time leading breeder of winners and earnings, presents
All set for the 11th. They're running in the All-American Derby. A beautiful break. Fast into stride 2, Flash for You, along with the Ultimate Eagle. Houdini's looking for a path and is now coming on with Downside Magician. And at the rail, running a good one, 5 Bar Cartel. But it's 2 Flash for You. 2 Flash for You. Houdini on the outside. 5 Bar Cartel at the rail. 2 Flash for You wins the All-American Derby.